आई हैव टेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ शेफ टेस्टिंग मेन्यू, लेकिन जो आपको आज शेफ टेस्टिंग मेन्यू में दिखा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे अगर आप सेम चीज़ ऑर्डर करोगे तो यू विल हैव टू स्पेंड 30,000 रुपीज पर हेड. दिस इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इंडियन टेस्टिंग मेन्यू इन इंडिया एंड दिस इज एट ट्रेसन मुंबई. तो शुरू करते हैं सबसे पहले कॉकटेल से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे यूज ग्लेनमोरांजी सिग्नेट. इसकी अगर बॉटल आप परचेज करने आते हो इट इज फॉर 45,000. तो यहाँ पे इसका एक लार्ज पैक आता है 12,000 रुपए का, और इतने की ये कॉकटेल है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज नहीं कर रहे. तो हमारे लिए खोल रहे बिल्कुल फ्रेश बॉटल इस विस्की की. काफ़ी सारी आइस ले रहे हैं. कुकी सिरप जो इन हाउस ये बनाते हैं इन्फ्यूजन से, उसके बाद ये डालेंगे इसमें 60 ml ऑफ विस्की. एरोमेटिक बिटर्स जो भी इन्होंने इन हाउस बनाए हैं, इसको हल्का सा स्टर करेंगे. एक क्लियर आइस लेंगे, उसमें इसको पोर करेंगे और इस पे स्टैंप लगाएंगे ट्रेसेंट की. दिस इज हाउ दे सर्व दिस कॉकटेल विद अ कुकी. पीने में ये काफ़ी टेस्टी, जो नेचुरल फ्लेवर है इतनी एक्सपेंसिव विस्की का, वो इनकी कॉकटेल मेकिंग टेक्निक से और एनहांस हो रहा था. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट कॉकटेल्स यू कैन गेट इन इंडिया.
So first of all, welcome to Trescent, sir.
Thank you.
So at Trescent, we have a very unique tradition of welcoming you by presenting the smoke pot.
It's like I'm dining in the cloud. So इसमें खुशबू है जो आपको आएगी. This is 6,800 rupees approximately per head, and they don't have a la carte.
So sir, here we begin your journey with a 14-course set meal. This is called as your kohlrabi taco. So kohlrabi is one kind of a German turnip. Over the turnip there is yogurt mousse, raw mango chutney with sanchook chips and candied walnut. So just roll it and have it as a taco. Here you go.
एक एक फ्लेवर का ना लेयर अलग अलग टाइम पे आ रहा है.
So sir, this is our next finger snack. It's called as lamb bun kebab.
Okay.
So it's a tartlet filled with lamb shabi kebab, some cream cheese chutney and topped with baked bun. So just hold the tartlet and have it as a mini burger. You'll enjoy it. So this is the next course, sir. It's called as butternut soup. So here we've made a sweet and sour butternut mash filled ravioli. The beans you see it's Kerala inspired beans erisari with the droplets of kaffir lime beside it. And this soup is made with coconut and butternut. So that's the black eyed beans. So we recommend you have the ravioli, the beans and the soup together. You'll enjoy.
एक साथ खा रहे हैं तभी वो फ्लेवर बर्स्ट हो रहे हैं. विद द ब्लैक आइड किडनी बीन एंड रेवियोली एंड सूप. वाओ वाओ, दिस इज अ waffle. I never seen a.
So it's a combination of duck and waffle. The lentil vada from southern India has been transformed to a waffle, very light. On the contrary, we have a duck which has been slow cooked and then ghee roast in masala. On the top, we have a little bit of your preserved egg yolk and some nasturtium leaves. So I'm gonna add a hint of curry leaf honey on the top.
Some duck, some waffle. वाओ, मैं तो बस ये दाल वड़े waffle की रेसिपी देते शेफ.
Yeah, we call it as ghevar chaat. So it has got avocado kachalu, which has been complemented with some chickpeas, some sprouts. For extra stress, we have used some pomelo. And on the top, we have made a savory ghevar, which acts like a texture to the entire chaat. And we just dip it lightly in the liquid nitrogen to have the entire chaat as a cold temperature.
So I just need to break it now.
So this is our next course, sir. It's called as water chestnut with asparagus salad. So it's water chestnut with asparagus. The yellow foam you see, that's cumin and potato espuma, which is your aloo jeera foam, which is paired with a clarified tomato broth, which is a variation of tomato rasam.
And I should pour over it or drink
No,
it?
so we recommend you have a bite of a salad first, then you sip a broth. So it's a bite and a sip.
Wow, this is really nice.
Tender, I'll be making your cocktail which is Milky Bar. So we'll start with adding the first thing which is NEC XO. NEC XO is aged for more than 10 years, from 10 to between 70 years. We'll also add Amaro, which is Italian liqueur. We'll also add Triple Sec, Drambuie, which is heather honey and spice. We also have a bitter which is cacao bitters, chocolate bitters. I'll add some ice. Usually we stir cocktail for slow dilution. We'll add a crystal clear ice to the glass.
Why it's called the Milky Way?
So because it has a special element which you will see in the last, so you'll get to know. The price is 8,000.
8,000.
So this is the special element as I told you. And for garnish we have a milk crisp.
मतलब प्रेशर मेरे पे है. आपने तो मेहनत कर लिया, प्रेशर पीने वाले. देखो देखो इन्होंने मेहनत करी है. They want you to drink in a particular way. Wow. It's very nice. मतलब इट्स वेरी नाइस.
So this is your next course. It's called as paniyaram. So it's crisp pan-fried semolina dumpling, which has been stuffed with chili pepper and served on parmesan cheese moili with curry leaf oil.
खाने का भी दिल नहीं करे, एकदम बढ़िया बना. पनियारम जो है इट्स अ साउथ इंडियन डिश एंड जो इसका ये वर्जन है इट्स रियली नाइस और काफ़ी स्मूथ बैलेंस डिश है ये. सो एक चीज़ कभी किसी ने सोची होगी कि ब्लू चीज़ डम्पलिंग एंड निहारी ब्रॉथ. सो इनकी जो निहारी ब्रॉथ थी वही अपने आप में इतनी अमेजिंग थी कि आप इसमें 3-4 कुलचे खा सकते हो. बट द पेयरिंग विद द ब्लू चीज़ डम्पलिंग वॉज आउटस्टैंडिंग. जो उसका उमामी फ्लेवर था ब्लू चीज़ का वो वेल टोन डाउन हो रहा था एक स्मूथ फैटी निहारी से. इट्स अमेजिंग हाउ पैलेट क्लेंजर में भी दे हैव डिटेल्ड द पैलेट क्लेंजर एंड एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन से सारी एलिमेंट्स उठा के इट टेस्टेड सो गुड. अगर आप कभी बंगाल गए हो तो हमें मटन कोशा काफ़ी फेमस है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड डिश जो लुच्ची के साथ खाया जाता है. यहाँ पे मटर की लुच्ची है एंड ये कटहल का कोशा है. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था मैं कटहल का कोशा देखूंगा. अगर कोई बंगाली देख रहा है तो शायद बेहोश हो जाए. बट दिस टेस्ट एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे नॉनवेज है उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, उसको वेजिटेरियन खिला दिया गया है.
So greetings, I'm John and I'll be presenting you your next main course of Khichdi of India. We present you 20 ingredients from 20 different states, which I'll be adding to the base of this khichdi, which is only lentil with rice. I'll start with the northern part. These are saffron from Kashmir. This is green apple from Himachal Pradesh. Pumpkin seeds from Rajasthan. Apricot from Uttarakhand. Lasuni chutney from Maharashtra. Cashew nuts from Goa. Curry leaves from Karnataka. These are black pepper from
Kerala.
Curry powder from Tamil Nadu. Biryani masala from Telangana, Hyderabad. White sesame seeds from Chhattisgarh. Ratlami seed from Madhya Pradesh. Raw mango from Uttar Pradesh. Beaten chickpea chanajur garam from Bihar. Pickled ginger from Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, raw papaya chutney from Gujarat. Kasundi mustard from
Kolkata.
This is chili from Assam.
Butter from Punjab.
Yes.
Punjab na?
Yes.
And there is desi ghee from Delhi.
Haryana.
Haryana, okay.
So as I'm done adding all of the ingredients, I'll be mixing all of it to the base. And with this khichdi, we are serving you raita and papad churi.
Okay,
So
the
I
Sindhi
like-
papad churi. Wow. So what they've done is taken the boring khichdi and really made it international. Incredible.
So sir, this is the first dessert of your set meal. It's called as paisam. So here we are serving you bamboo rice paisam with chocolate. And the ice cream on top, it's in-house fermented black apple ice cream. So make sure you mix everything and have it. You'll enjoy it. So this is your next course, sir. It's called as imarti. So here we are serving your classic imarti, which is accompanied with your kaju katli foam, rabdi malai and sol papdi crumble on top. So just break the imarti, dip it in the foam and enjoy.
तो जो बॉल ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे इसमें एवेंजर्स का इन्फिनिटी स्टोन है. इट हैज़ अ कॉफ़ी पॉड, अ bonbon created with coffee, and this was a nice ending to a lovely meal. I think if you're a foodie, you should once in a lifetime try this menu and आपको पता लगेगा कि इंडियन फूड किस लेवल पे पहुंच चुका है.